Hello everybody, welcome back. This is the Syntax Sorcerer and welcome to my magical land of programming and coding and all sorts of fun stuff. Today we're going to be kind of doing just like a very simple review lesson of objects in coding, just kind of going over the syntax as we normally do. Should be a shorter video today, but with that being said, we're going to go into it. So first thing we're going to do is create instances of classes, and then we're going to access and modify the object properties and methods. So let's just jump right into it. How about that? I'm going to start actually up here. We're going to do a public class. Oops, let me get rid of my cap blocks. Car. And in there, we're going to do, let's do some properties. Let's do a public string make. Oops, public string make, and then make sure we do our getter and setter setup. We're gonna do public string. Man, I can't spell public apparently. String model. Get and set, and then let's add an int in there. Public. Oh my gosh! Don't come at me. Int year, and then of course our get and set, right? And then inside of there, oh, why are we missing? What are you doing, Visual Studio? It like removed that. All right. So inside of public class car, we're gonna need a method, and the method needs to be public. Wow, my meds haven't kicked in. Don't attack me for this. Display details, and then we'll do console. We don't need system. We just need console dot write line, and then we'll add our little money symbol. We'll do car details, and then let's throw that in there so it stops yelling at me. And then the car details, so we're going to use year, make, and model. Make, model, year. Whichever way you want to do this, we'll do year, and then make and model. And end it with that, and that looks pretty straightforward and good. Just a right line to put out the car's information. Let's see, we're gonna do creating instance of car class, right? So we're gonna do car, and then we're gonna say car1. We'll just make it easy as a new instance of car. Right, did I not? No. Has to be capital C. Bad juju otherwise. Whole bunch of problems not doing the correct annotation like that. So then we're going to do car, car2 equals new car as well. Create and instantiate those. And then we're going to access and modify the properties. These again, this is just a very simple review video. Make, and then we're gonna say equals let's Toyota. Oh my gosh, my stomach is growling. I hope you guys can't hear that. That was so loud. And then car1, no, car1, silly. And then we're gonna do model. Let's just keep it simple. Equals Camry. Right? Pretty straightforward. Car1, the year. Say equals 2020. Why not? Why not? We'll just give it 2020. And then we'll set up some instances for car2. Make. And then that is, we'll say Hondo. We'll just go kind of with like the Japanese whole setup. equals civic. Oops. Right outside. Gosh, I cannot type today. Car2, and then year equals 2024. Right, a brand new car. So now let's make sure we call our methods, right? So we're going to do car1 dot display details. Oops. No, why will you not move back? Okay. Delete that and go display details. And then should output something like car details. And then 2020, we put 2020 Toyota Camry, right? Car2 dot display details. That should output car details. Brain fart for a minute there. I'm literally looking at my screen. 2024 Honda Civic. Bam. And that should be everything. Let's go ahead and run that and see, make sure everything runs good. Oh, I did the antivirus. I haven't done that in so many videos. I realized after I started it too. I was like, wait, did I turn off my antivirus? No. Okay. I know you guys see that little flicker. Here we go. All right, see, car details, 2020 Toyota Camry, perfect. All right, everything's perfect on there. All right, so this is just more of a reiterate lesson. So let's go over it real quick. So right here, car1, car2, new car. These are two instances of the class named car. We're instantiating them, right? We're creating them. We're calling their default constructor. Then right here, we're using the period to access and modify their properties. So we're car1 period make. So we're accessing the make. We're accessing the model. We're accessing the year. We're doing that for both car1 and car2 with a new instance of car every time. And then the display, the call to methods is literally just, hey, output these details. Straightforward, super easy. If you guys have any questions, if you want more review videos, just let me know. I'm just kind of testing the waters with giving you guys more things. You guys, that is all there is for this video. Make sure you control save. Make sure you guys keep practicing. And the Syntax Sorcerer will be out.